Hello everyone, how are you all today? Dahana here. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. I hope life is treating you good. Thank you for being here today to spend some time with me. Today I have a few tips to share with you all in regards to how to plan on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis so you can achieve your goals, tracking them. So if it's your first time here, do not forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when I post a video. If you are a subscriber or you've been here before, thank you so much. I really truly do appreciate your support and being here with me today. So let's go on to the video and I'll share with you my 5-6 tips maybe. Let's go. I will give you some examples off my planner whenever I get to that specific tip. But we are going to start with tip number 1 is setting goals. The first step is creating a plan. It's to set your goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, maybe even relevant at the time that you are setting your goals. You can go ahead and start by writing your goals. So if you guys saw my previous video, you guys saw me write my goals, and that's what I did here. I write them down in my planner and then I break them down into smaller steps, something that works for you. Tip number 2. Remember to prioritize your tasks depending on what tasks you have to do. So you can either put them on a brain dump and prioritize them that way. You can add them to your monthly and set them that way. Always prioritize your tasks, and they're based on the importance or the urgency. You can use, color coding, symbols to identify the task from more important to urgent. This will help you stay focused on the most critical task and ensure that you are making the progress towards your goals. All right, tip number 3, creating daily plans. So I don't use a daily, but on my weekly, what I like to do is I will do my plans for my daily on my weekly, and I will ensure that I add tasks that will, even if they're baby steps, that I will go ahead and add towards my goals. For example, if I'm trying to work out or if I'm trying to drink more water, I make a point that even if I don't, this is an example, if I don't drink 8 bottles of 16-ounce bottles of water, at least I put my goal to at least drink, 2 or 3, because I'm working towards being able to drink a total of 8 bottles, 16-ounce bottles of water. So always add small steps in your daily. Now, if you use dailies, do it in your dailies. If you don't use your dailies, make sure you do it on your weekly, which brings me to my next step, which is creating weekly plans. Now, for me, it's the same thing because I actually do that. I set my weekly goals and my daily goals as a whole. So my entire week, I have my goals section, and I will show you. I will add my goals to what I want to complete here. So this is what would be considered my weekly for me. So weekly plans, will allow you to plan ahead and ensure that you're making progress. So this is where I will put my goals for the week, and then I make myself accountable by coming back at the end of the week and saying how many bottles of water did I drink. But then when it comes to my daily, I fill it in my weekly. Now, tip number 5 is creating your monthly plan. So monthly plans are very important, and they will help you stay focused on your long-term goal. It will ensure that you're making the progress towards them at the start of each month rewrite your goals and tasks for the month and break them down into smaller tasks or actionable. Make sure they're actionable steps. Write down your task in your planner and make sure to include any appointments, deadlines for the month. So that would mean if you add them on your month, make sure you have your goals set for the month as well, which is what I do. And I'll show you an example here. On my monthly, I will put my goals for the month. And so this is for the month. So let's say I want to drink, it's just an example, guys, 100 gallons of water in a month. I would have 100 gallons. Then those 100 gallons would be split up into 4, 5, or 6 weeks, depending on how many weeks are in the month. And that's what would go into your weekly. So here's your 5 tips very quickly in review. Is set your goals first. Prioritize your tasks. Create daily plans and or weekly plans, which is tip 3 and 4, depending if you use both or just one. Create your monthly plans for your goals and steps. And then 6, always review your goals, how they went the previous month. That way you can adjust to whatever did work and whatever didn't work. Always being on top and seeing what may be working will help you make adjustments if they're needed. And at the end of each day, week, and or month, you review the progress towards your goals and make any necessary adjustments to the plan. Don't stick to a plan if it's not working. If you're not getting better, then you need to change something. So with these tips, you can use your planner to create daily, weekly, and monthly plans that will help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Remember, planning is an essential part of achieving success. To make sure to set your goals, prioritize your tasks, and review your plans regularly. Guys, thank you so much. I hope that you guys got value in this video. Please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Make any positive comments that will help anybody that is watching these videos when we are trying to achieve success in any shape or form. If it's for health, if it's for home, if it's for your family, or if it's for your business. Planning will be the start, because if you record it, you will have something to make you accountable. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.